Happy 60th birthday, Bob Midoranda, mabuhay ka. Wish ko lang sa'yo, sana hindi mo na maging kaibigan si Joseph Acosta at magpa-liver ka sa kanya dahil napakarami niyang pera. Sana magkita tayo, mag-meet tayo. Ingat ka nun kasi yan ng Philippines lagi. Happy birthday sa'yo, Bob Midoranda. 60! Mabuhay ka. God bless. Stay safe.
All of your players.
Hoy! Kuya Bob! Dual citizen ka na. Happy birthday, Kuya Bob. Relax ka lang. Bale, itong mga darating na panahon, magiging maayos mga trabaho natin. Hatakin na lang kita agad yan. O sige, Kuya Bob, enjoy your 60th birthday. Happy birthday, Kuya Bob.
Hello Kuya Bob, greetings mula sa Dominado family dito sa Victoria, British Columbia, Canada. Happy 60th birthday sa iyo and may you have many more birthdays to come. God bless you and we wish you good health. At ang tanging nag-ibigay ko sa iyo, ang verse mula sa 3 John chapter 1 verse 2. Then, happy birthday, Kuya Bob.
Brad, happy 60th birthday! Hello. Good evening sa inyo lahat dyan. It's been a while na wala ako dyan. Pero anong malay mo, mami-mami nandyan ako. Brad, tayong senior. Dual citizen na. Para sa iba, baka hindi alam kung yung dual citizen. Filipino citizen na, senior citizen na. Kaya pareho na tayong dual citizen. Now that you've been 60 years old na, sayang nga lang. Dahil lang natin sa binisita tayo ng ng Mimo. Pero ba't yan hindi pa rin naman huli. Papasalakan pa rin kita dyan sa bayan. Ngayon, kagagaling lang naman sa mga kaya pasensya na muna. Wala yung poging presence mo dyan. Pero my heart and my whole soul nandyan sa inyo lang dyan. Kaya Brad, happy 60th birthday. Yan!
Birthday, Bob. Sana lumaki kang masaya at may takot sa Diyos. Ay, kulang pala ng 0. 60 pala. Ngayon, Bob, ay 60 ka na. Ibig sabihin, meron ka nang matatanggap na regalo sa barangay. Kagaya mo na si Bon. Happy birthday, Bob. 60 birthday mo. Thank you and God bless.
Hi, Bob. Happy 60th birthday. Hindi ko makakarating. Pero welcome to the club. Seriously.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kuya Bob.
Kuya Bob, happy birthday. We wish you all the best and may God continue to bless you and your family and more apos to come. So, again, we love you and stay healthy always. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Tito Bob. Good health.
Maligayang araw, Kuya Bob. So, lahat ng pangarap mo ay sana maitupad pa at isa kang mabuting tatay, asawa, lolo, pinsan, at lahat na. All in one. So, we wish you all the best and happiness in life. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya Bob. Wish ko lang good health mo, more blessings sa shipment mo, and sa family mo, God bless you and your family. See you soon, Kuya Bob. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tito Bob. More birthdays to come. And alagaan po ang sarili dahil marami kami nagmamahal sa'yo dito. Stay safe. God bless po.
Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat dyan, mga kapatid at kamag-anak. Unang-una po sa lahat ay pinabati ko ng maligayang kaarawan ng aking pinsan na si Bobby Midoranda. Naway ay umaba pa ang buhay niya para sa serbisyo at panampalataya sa ating Panginoon Diyos. Naway ay umabot pa ang kanyang buhay at ligtas sa anumang karamdaman. Salamat po.
You heard me say my first words, watched me crawl before I walked. People say I have your eyes, but I've always wanted to have your heart. Ooh, one in a million, and I got to be yours. Our souls are forever tied together through tears and all the laughter. You love me like no other. You say I'm the center of your whole wide world. I'll always be my daddy's girl. You dance me across the kitchen floor, and we'll dance the day you give me away. You're the first call when I need advice. You always know the right words to say. Ooh, one in a million, and I got to be yours. Our souls are forever tied together through tears and all the laughter. You love me like no